everybody, happy Mother's Day. I am at Walgreens and I am ready to go inside to share some deals. Now please keep in mind I do the intro and then I go through the store and show you deals. I might not do every deal myself, but I show different varieties of deals, scenarios and stuff. And then after that I will show you guys my haul, all the problems that I had and everything. So please stay tuned and let's go shopping. If your store has the Wet n Wild SpongeBob display, they do have some of the Walgreens sponges for $5.99 and you'll get a $1 cash rewards. And then they have the makeup palette for $15.99 and you'll get a $1 cash rewards. Otherwise, everything else looks like some of it's buy one, get one 50% off. We have the Colgate Toothpaste for $5.49. You want to buy 2 of them, comes to $10.98. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you would want to use. You'll end up paying $6.98, but you will get a $5 register reward, making them $1.98 or 99 cents a piece if you need that. So there's 2 different deals you guys can do for this. We have the Colgate Toothpaste for $3.99. Now I have a $2 off digital coupon for the Colgate Optic, and I also have a $2 off coupon for the Total. So you could either do that, or I also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupons. So you want to buy 2 of them, either use 2 of those digitals or 1 of the other digital. You end up paying $3.98, but you will get $4 cash rewards, making these absolutely free. In the newspaper in the ad there's a coupon for a 5 off of 3. I did not get the 5 off of 3 digital, so if you guys get that coupon, that is awesome, but just wanted to share with you I did not get the 5 off of 3 because I used it the previous week. Okay, so this is to be a confusing deal. So you want to buy 5 of these Listerines for $6.49. Every $10 you spend, you'll get $5 cash rewards, okay? So we do have $1 off digital coupon. So you'll end up paying $31.45 for 5 of these. But every $10 you spend, you'll get $5 cash rewards. So that means you'll get $15 back in a cash rewards. And then there is a deal going on with a Catalina that if you spend $30, you'll get a $10 Catalina register reward. But there's also a deal with Listerine where if you spend so much, you'll get Fandango rewards. So if you bought 1 cent is for every point. So basically, if you bought $31.45, you'd be qualified for a $10 reward. So everything would come out to be a $3.55 moneymaker for 5 bottles. So here we have the Poise ultra thin pads on sale for $5.99. There is a printable $3 off coupon. There is also a $3 off digital, so you can mix and match. I'm using 2 printables, plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you want to use that also. Your total will come to be $1.98, but then you can submit a $2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these both for free. Here is a big savings deal for you guys. The regular price for this is $1, but you're getting it on sale for 99 cents if you need some Ajax. We have the Purex on sale for $6.49, and it's buy one get one free, so you pay $6.49, making each one just $3.25 a piece. We have this Charmin on sale for $4.95. We also have this Bounty, and then we have that Charmin, but I actually have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon for this Charmin, and then I have a $1 off digital coupon for this one. I also had 3 other $1 off digitals, but I want to use the $6 one, so I actually unclipped it. So this is a regional coupon. Could be, but I do have a 6 off of 3 Charmin, so I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use the $1 off Bounty. So you're going to end up paying $12.80, but then you will get a $6 register reward when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to be just $6.80 or $1.70 a piece. Here we have the Breath Savers and Icebreakers on sale for 2 for $3. We do have a $1 off of 2 Walgreens coupon booklet coupons, so you'll end up getting these each for $1 a piece, and you can do this deal as many times as you want. Here we have the Gillette Deodorant on sale for $6. You would want to buy 3 of them. I currently have a $5.49 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You end up paying $12.51. But there is a $5 register reward when you buy 3, and then there's also Ibotta rebate for $1 back times 3. So your grand total would be $4.51 or just $1.50 a piece. Here we have the Gillette Razor on sale for $9.99. There's currently a $3 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up paying $6.99, but you will get a $4 register reward when you buy this, making it just $2.99. The bags are now either $2.79 or $2.99, but they're buy one get one free. So you guys would pay $2.99 for 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.50 a piece. You have the Coke products on sale for 3 for $9.99, which is an okay deal. These would be good for filler items if you do need them, so they come out to be just $3.33 a piece. Hello everybody, I am back, and it ended up becoming an awesome haul. I didn't get as much as I wanted to get, but that is okay because I really wasn't planning on getting a lot of stuff. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now there's a good deal. Now hopefully you can get this coupon. Now this coupon is random. Not everybody has this coupon. I finally just received it. I've seen people have it a while ago. I just finally received it. But there is a deal where I had a 6 off of 3 Charmin digital coupon. Now I also had 3 different dollar off digital coupons. I actually unclipped those because I wanted to use the $6 one. So these are $4.95. I used a 6 off of 3 Charmin toilet paper coupon, and then I had a $1 off Bounty Essentials coupon. So those are $4.95. You want to use those. I use those 2 digital coupons. You guys would end up paying $12.80 for the 4 items, but you will get a $6 register reward when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to be just $6.80 or $1.70. And I'm actually really starting to like the Charmin. They say you get technically 16 regular rolls and these 4 rolls. I mean, you do get a lot, and I feel like this is a lot softer. So if you guys need to stock up on toilet paper, definitely go ahead and do that. But I was excited for that $6 digital. Otherwise it would be just a little bit more. It would be $3 more if you guys just use the $1 off digitals. So I wanted to share with you on that. So yes, I went toilet paper crazy, which is totally fine. I've been using Scott's for like ever, so now I have some Charmin. Okay, the next deal I ended up doing is the Gillette Deodorant. Now these were $6 a piece. My store only had 1 on the shelf, but then they had a special end cap, so I ended up going to that end cap and finding the rest of the 3. So $6 a piece. There is a $5 off of $5.49 off a 2 digital coupon. Did mine even come off? Yeah, it did. $5.49 off of 2. So you want to use that digital. You'll end up paying $12.51, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta times 3, and you will get a $5 register reward for doing this deal, making these just $4.51 or like $1.50 a piece if you wanted to go ahead and do this deal. I feel like we've been stocking up on this stuff like crazy lately, so I did that. I did the Poise deal. Now these were $5.99 a piece. You want to use the printable coupons that somebody's honking their horn. You guys want to use these $3 off printable coupons that we got in today's coupons.com, or there is one digital that you guys can use however you want to do it, but I ended up using the 2 printables for $5.99. There's also a $2 off Walgreens coupon booklet, so it'll take $4 off of that. Your total would be $1.98, but then there is a 2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta for this one. You guys will get these absolutely free, so if you want to do that deal, definitely go ahead and do that deal. Now I did not get the 5 off of 3 Crest coupon. I knew I wasn't gonna get it. I feel like they give you that coupon for just the month, and then they have the same deal like all month long. So I didn't get it. Some of you guys may have gotten it. If you did do the deal last week and it showed up this week, it may have not worked last week. It's hard to say, but anyways, I did the Colgate deal. Now I had a $2 off coupon for the total, and I had a $2 off coupon for the optic, and then I also had a 4 off of 2. Well, you can actually do this deal both in the same transaction, because I was gonna unclip clip one of them, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's just for the total. I think there was one for the optics. So I went and scanned, I went and checked. So these are $3.99. So you can bowl both of these deals with those 3 digital coupons if you want. So basically, you want to use a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, or you can use a 2 off of 1 and a 2 off of 1 digital coupon. You'll end up paying $3.98 for 2 of them, but then you'll get a $4 off cash rewards, making these absolutely free, and you guys can do these both in the same transaction, making them just you get $8 back in cash rewards for that if you want to do that. Now here is a confusing deal that I did. I ended up doing the Listerine deal. Now these were $6.49, okay? There is a deal where you can use if you spend $30 or more, there's a deal that you guys can do. Let me show you. There's a deal where if you spend $30 or more, you're supposed to get this kind of a register reward that I saw in the group, and it's good until June 30th. My register reward did not print off. I don't know what was going on. I think I can contact the Catalina company and they might be able to do something. But there's also a deal where every $10 you spend, you'll get a $5 cash rewards. So I bought 5 of these. I bought the liter ones. These were $6.49. I apparently had 3 $1 off digital coupons that all came off, but if you don't have it, you guys would end up paying $32.45. But then you'll get $15 back at cash rewards. You were supposed to get the $10 register reward, and then there's a deal with the Listerine where if you spend so much, you'll get points. So I'll show you guys that. But basically, every 1 cent you get 1 point. So basically, you guys would get 3,245 points if you did this deal, which is supposed to be a $10 reward that you'll get from Fandango. So I'll try to put the Listerine thing in there. So if you do that, it all ends up becoming a $3.55 moneymaker if you guys can do that deal. Like I said, I got the $15 from the cash rewards, but I didn't get the $10 Catalina, so I don't know what was going on with that deal. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna do the Listerine one, and I'll get my $10 rewards for that. So my total came to $45.84. I ended up getting $33.63 cash rewards. I got 15 for the Listerine, and then I got 8 for the Colgate, and then I had like I got some bonuses or something that I had clipped to my card. I ended up receiving $11 worth of register rewards. With Ibotta, I got $5 back. So my grand total came to a $3.79 moneymaker. If I do get the $10 rewards from Fandango, I'll get an additional $10. And if I get a spend 30 Catalina when I contact the Catalina company, that's another additional $10. So it could be a $23.79 moneymaker that I will get for all of that stuff. So we will see what happens. But yeah, you can contact the Catalina company. They might be able to help you, but we tried it like different ways. So it might work for you guys, it might not. If you do that deal and it works for you, please let me know. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up.